got the great opportunity to show this new listing we've got coming up. It is a modern 3-bedroom terrace property located within walking distance of Salford Quays and Media City. As we head inside, we go into this lovely entrance hallway, which on your right opens on up into this family lounge. The property has been immaculately kept throughout, and as we head through to the middle vestibule, this provides access to a nice modern downstairs toilet. At the rear, we have this lovely, bright and airy modern kitchen diner, which leads out to a good sized garden at the rear, complete with later lawn grass and paving as well. Property is ideally located with easy access of amenities, local schooling and transport links throughout Manchester, within walking distance of Langworthy tram stop, which provides direct access into Manchester city centre as well. As we head upstairs, straight on, you'll find this modern 3-piece family bathroom. Then on your right, we have the 3rd bedroom just through here. They've got fitted furniture in this one as well. And then the 2nd bedroom, which is a good size double. To the rear of the property, we have the main bedroom, which is a generous double bed. And then we have a 3-piece ensuite bathroom as well. Properties on this development are very popular. Get in touch, secure your viewing today.